Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into the latest release from EndeavourOS, one of the most user-friendly Arch Linux-based distributions out there. Codenamed Mercury, this update brings a mix of technical refinements, aesthetic tweaks, and critical fixes. Whether you're a longtime user or considering a switch from Windows or other Linux distros, this release has something for you. Let's unpack what Mercury offers and why it's worth your attention. Context and release. Schedule changes. First, some context. EndeavourOS has carved a niche as a welcoming gateway to Arch Linux, balancing power with accessibility. But the Mercury release comes with a candid admission from the team. Future updates may arrive irregularly. Why? Lead developer Joe Comprad is focusing on becoming a certified programmer, a move that'll ultimately benefit the project long-term. Don't panic, though. The team reassures users that existing ISOs receive hotfixes automatically, and rolling release updates mean your system stays current with sudo pacman-s-y-u. New ISOs like Mercury are snapshots for fresh installs, optimized for the latest hardware and installer improvements. Under the hood, kernel and package updates. Now, let's talk tech. Mercury is powered by Linux Kernel 6.13, ensuring support for cutting-edge hardware and improved system stability. Accompanying this are updated core packages. Firefox 1.35, the latest browser with security and performance tweaks. Nvidia 5.70.8616, enhanced driver support for smoother graphics. Mesa 24.3.4, and Zorg 21.1.15. Optimized graphics stack for both open source and proprietary GPU users. These updates ensure Mercury isn't just a cosmetic refresh, but a performance powerhouse, especially for gaming and creative workloads, desktop environments, and aesthetics. EndeavourOS shines in its desktop flexibility. Mercury ships with KDE Plasma 6.2.5 as the default live environment, but you can opt for Xfce 4.20 during installation, a nod to users who prefer lightweight customization. The big visual win? Dark themes are now default across all major desktops. KDE, GNOME, Xfce, MATE, BUDGIE, and CINNAMON. GNOME users get dynamic wallpapers that switch with light and dark mode, while Xfce's theme aligns closer to its vanilla roots for a familiar yet polished look. It's a sleek, modern foundation right out of the box, installer fixes, and quality-of-life tweaks. A smooth installer is critical for newcomers. Mercury's Calamaris 25.02 installer tackles several pain points. Double EFI entries in the drop-down menu? Fixed. Legacy BIOS install issues? Resolved. Replace partition option now handles empty space correctly. Plus, the live ISO now includes a memory test tool for EFI systems, a boon for diagnosing hardware issues pre-install. Mirror lists are also pre-ranked and preserved during installation, saving time for users in regions with slower repos. Who should download Mercury? If you're setting up EndeavourOS for the first time or reinstalling, Mercury is your go-to ISO. Existing users, however, don't need to panic. Regular updates keep your system current. The changes here target the installer and live environment, not your daily driver. That said, if you're on older hardware or facing installer bugs in previous releases, Mercury's refinements make it a compelling upgrade. The updated kernel and drivers also future-proof new installations. Download guide and closing thoughts. Ready to try Mercury? Head to EndeavourOS's official website, where global mirrors ensure fast downloads. Links are in the description below. In closing, Mercury reinforces EndeavourOS's ethos, power without pretension. While the irregular release schedule might raise eyebrows, the team's transparency and commitment to hotfixes inspire confidence. For Arch veterans and newcomers alike, this distro remains a top contender. If you found this helpful, smash that like button, subscribe for more Linux insights, and let me know in the comments, will you be trying Mercury? Thanks for watching, and keep exploring the open source universe.